Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some juicy leaks for you about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A06. If you're a Samsung fan, you're gonna love this. First up, let's talk design. The renders we've seen suggest that the Galaxy A06 is sticking to a familiar look but with some subtle and stylish tweaks. Think sleek, modern, and just a touch more premium. It's got that iconic Samsung feel, but it's clear they've paid attention to those little details that make a big difference. Now let's dive into specifics. According to the leaks, the Galaxy A06 is expected to have a 6.5-inch display. That's right, it's slightly bigger than the A05. And from what we've heard, it'll be packing a full HD plus resolution, which means crisp visuals and vibrant colors for all your favorite content. One of the standout features in these leaks is the back panel design. We're looking at a triple camera setup, vertically aligned, which is pretty standard for Samsung's recent releases. But here's the kicker. The main sensor is rumored to be a 50MP shooter. That's a significant upgrade, folks. Imagine the photo quality you could get with that. Let's not forget about the build. The Galaxy A06 is expected to feature a plastic back, which isn't surprising for a budget-friendly device. But it looks like Samsung has gone for a matte finish, giving it a more refined and less prone to fingerprints look. And for those of you wondering about size and weight, the leaks suggest it will be around 8.4 mm thick and weigh approximately 190 grams. It's got a good heft to it without feeling too bulky. Ports and buttons? Nothing too revolutionary here. We're looking at a USB-C port at the bottom, alongside a 3.5 mm headphone jack. Yes, headphone jack fans, you're in luck. The power button and volume rockers are on the right as usual. Battery life is always a concern, and the Galaxy A06 is rumored to come with a 5000 mAh battery. That's pretty solid, especially for a mid-range phone. Combined with Samsung's software optimizations, this should keep you powered through a full day of use. Software-wise, expect it to run on One UI 5.1, based on Android 13. This means you'll get all the latest features and security updates. So, what do you think of the Galaxy A06 so far? Personally, I think it's shaping up to be a fantastic addition to the Galaxy lineup. With those upgraded cameras, a larger display, and a solid battery, it's definitely a phone to keep an eye on. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this leak breakdown, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the Galaxy A06. Until next time, stay tech savvy. This is TechDevil, signing off.